Sometimes a single touch can illuminate our entire life. Every day, millions of people invest their energy with love, determination, and conscience into their work, towards others, and for their homeland. It is precisely this energy that allowed us to liberate our lands and achieve the magnificent victory.
Füzuli bizimdir. Cebrail bizimdir. Zengilan bizimdir. Qubadlı bizimdir. Ağdam bizimdir. Laçin bizimdir. Kəlbəcər bizimdir. Şuşa bizimdir. Qarabağ bizimdir. Qarabağ Azərbaycandır.
We have moved from the occupied zone to the green energy zone. We have built 38 power plants with a total capacity of 307 megawatts in Karabakh and eastern Zangezur. And laid the foundation for 3 solar power plants with a capacity of 340 megawatts. We are transforming the energy of victory, freedom, and confidence into the light of our sustainable future. In every ray of light, there is a trace of victory. And in every victory, there is the inexhaustible energy of our people. Protecting this energy is a duty each of us owes to our homeland. Azerbaijan, the homeland of victory and energy.